So, hello everyone. We were asked how to make a video like this so that this timer would be synchronized with real time, and it turns out, here we have it. You see a 15-minute video with such a timer, here we have it. We did it in CapCut, here it is in real time. Then we just made it the speed multiplied by 10. Just like in the video, well, we cut it accordingly, here, but we made it in the DaVinci Resolve program. Here it is ready, our project. In order to make this timer, we have it for 15 minutes without stopping. Add this video track here and select the text. This particular text is not like that, but we put this one here. We can change the color to whatever you want. Size. Move it wherever you want. But it's important here that we choose a time code. Here we have a time, this code is coming. We are limited to 5 seconds, and to make it 15 minutes, we need to change the duration. Now we will have to go for 5 minutes, and then just save and transfer to CapCut. Well, it doesn't seem complicated. Subscribe, like,